ኤርትራዊነትና ክብር መንነት ወትሮን ዘክሮካ ናይ ኣቦታትና ክንድቅስ ክንትስ ኤርትራ ኣይንረስእ እቲ ዝበሉና ፀሓይንኮም ሰበረተና በርባዕተ ማዕዘን ክትኮነለና ሰላም ንምስጋና የእዳቡና ኣሊልና ንሆርትራ ንልምን ሰላማ ክንድቅስ ክንትስ ኤርትራ ኣይንረስእ Like when the morning sun broke, peace be upon you from all four corners. We raised our hands in thanksgiving. We pray for peace in Eritrea. Let us not forget Eritrea when we sleep and when we wake up. What's is a croca, nai abotatna. Kindidus kintis Eritrea, aynırası etizi barumna. አለና ታሪክ ስወዳርስ ከቦሎት ወልዱ ወቱ ኃይልና የቁጡት ሙላት ከማእዶ መንሳይ ተማሃር ክትከውን ጽባሕ ተረካቢ ሕድሪ ክትስምያ ሃገርካ ኣዝለ ኣለ ክብሪ We have a history inherited from generation to generation. Our strength is always in our unity. We are united as firmly as an indissoluble bond. Young people learn to be the recipients of tomorrow's legacy, to name your country in the highest honor. Autonomous منات سحازة نقطع جروب فكري وحازة يوم كمت معك حب علينا أبو شطاب ستة تبصلنا علينا نبقسنا لما عاطل حمسك هكرنا Who holds our identity as Eritrean. He flocked to his flag with love. We have a pledge today as we did yesterday while we are in exile. Let's set out to develop and build our country. What's is a croca, nai abotatna. Kindidus kintis Eritrea, aynırası etizi baluna. Hadinetna haynina, kulluzi saare, zenu Eritreawi yumni are. بفكري حضروا أبكلوا زللة مقادي سخفتة السلام نقبله Our unity is our strength all conquered. He is a strong Eritrean stone stand, characterized by his patriotism everywhere, paved the way for peace and development. Oturun is a croca, nai abotatna. Kindidus kintis Eritrea, aynırası etizi baluna. Let us always remember the words of our ancestors. Let us not forget Eritrea when we sleep and when we wake up.